Who am I? A question that some of us can't answer. However, this video will offer you a quick glimpse of me. Ryan Lennon Epacinto, 19, born on March 12, 2006, 5'4", from Bulihan, Malolos, Bulacan, and currently studying at Bulacan University, Philippines. Ever since nung bata pa ako, I always want to explore new things. You can also call me Jack of all trades because I'm a master of none. And now let's talk about my favorites. My favorite color is blue. My favorite animals is my sibling. And this is some of my favorite foods. I also like watching K-drama and this is some of my favorites. And last, what I like the most is her. My hobbies are solving puzzle games, Rubik's Cube, playing chess, basketball, and of course, running. Now let's talk about my personality. For those who don't know, I'm actually ambivert. It means that my personality is balanced between introvert and extrovert. Some people might say that I am always serious, but actually I'm
passion, more energy, more energy. 무슨 생각을 하는 거 불경스럽게? 그게 사실 할 말이야. Sir, tapos na po.